In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code in Lyft. This process is quite straightforward and can save you money on your rides. Let's dive right in. First, open the Lyft app on your Android or iPhone device. You will see the home screen with various options displayed. The app is designed to be user-friendly, so you should feel comfortable navigating through it. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not, you might miss out on applying your promo code. This step is essential because it sets the stage for the next actions you will take. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon. This icon is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tapping it will lead you to your account settings and features. This area of the app is where you can manage your profile, payment methods, and rewards. It's a critical part of the app that gives you access to your personal Lyft information. Next, tap on the rewards option. This option is typically displayed prominently in your account settings. It allows you to view any active promotions or rewards you may have. Understanding where your rewards are located helps you track your savings. This is important because you want to ensure you are taking full advantage of your available promo codes. Now tap Enter Code Plus. This button will open a text field for you to input your promo code. It is often highlighted to catch your attention. Entering the code correctly is crucial, as any mistakes could prevent the discount from being applied. This step is where your potential savings begin to take shape. After entering your promo code, tap Apply or Submit to add it to your account. This action confirms your entry and registers the promo code with Lyft. You will see a confirmation message appear on the screen shortly after tapping. This reassures you that the promo code has been successfully added to your account. Next, you will need to use a promo code for a ride. Start by entering your destination in the app. The destination field is clear and easy to find on the main screen. This step is necessary to set up your ride request. It's important to know that you need to have your promo code applied before you request a ride to ensure you get the discount. Then, request a ride by tapping the Select Lyft button. This button is prominently displayed once you enter your destination. It indicates your readiness to book a ride. After tapping, you will be taken to the payment method screen. Here you can manage how you want to pay for your ride. Next, tap the payment method located above the Select Lyft button. This area should show your current payment options. It gives you a chance to check if your promo code discount will be applied. If you have more than one promo code available, you can select the one you want to use in this step. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring you are using the best discount available. Finally, confirm your ride request. Lyft will automatically apply the eligible discount from your selected promo code. You will see the updated fare reflected in your ride details. This final confirmation ensures that your discount is in effect for your ride, allowing you to enjoy your savings effortlessly. Remember, promo codes must be added before you request a ride. This is essential because most promo codes have expiration dates, ride limits, or location restrictions. You can view your active promotions anytime under rewards. This knowledge empowers you to maximize your savings every time you use Lyft.